The hook, introduction. Here's the reality. I run a one-person AI business with 0 employees that earns me passive income every single day. I've seen many YouTubers talk about AI business ideas, but most of them aren't actually doing it themselves. In this video, I'm going to share the exact AI tools, workflows, and prompts I'm using right now to make money from my automated AI clothing store. The business model, print on demand. The concept is simple. I noticed a gap in the market for clever, breed-specific dog clothing on Etsy. So, I started my own store. I use print-on-demand services like Printify and Printful. They handle the inventory, printing, and shipping. I just provide the designs. When a customer buys, I keep the profit, and the rest is automated. Product research with AI. The AI world is changing fast, and I've upgraded my tools. For research, I use Gemini Deep Research. It scours the internet to find viral trends and memes that I can repurpose into new niches. Then, I use ChatGPT as my creative partner to brainstorm slogans and turn that data into actual product ideas. Designing with NanoBanana and Canva. To create the visuals, my favorite tool is Google's NanoBanana. It's incredibly powerful for generating specific images. Once I have the base image, I move to Canva Pro. I use Canva's AI upscaler to make the designs high resolution and their auto-adjust feature for perfect color correction. I then add my text, remove the background, and the design is ready for sale. Traffic and marketing, SEO versus GEO. How do people find my products? I focus on 2 things. 1. SEO, search engine optimization, using tools like Perplexity AI to find high-traffic keywords on Etsy and Amazon. 2. GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. This is new. I optimize my product descriptions so that AI chatbots like ChatGPT recommend my products to users who are shopping via AI. Humanizing content with Claude. To make sure my descriptions don't sound like a robot wrote them, I use Claude AI. Claude is excellent at taking ChatGPT's output and making it sound natural, helpful, and human, which builds better trust with customers. High-level strategy with NotebookLM. Finally, for business growth, I use NotebookLM. I upload my sales data, and it creates a deep dive audio podcast for me. I can listen to 2 AI hosts discuss my business strategy, tell me which designs are sleeper hits, and where I should focus next. It's like having a high-level CFO for free. Conclusion. AI has made it possible to automate the boring stuff and the high-level strategy. If you want to see the specific prompts I use or download my free guide, check the links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI business